here are the best things to do in Corfu, Greece. Number 13. Old Town of Corfu. Welcome to the enchanting Old Town of Corfu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where European and Greek cultures fuse delightfully. As you wander through the charming alleys, you'll find a delightful mix of traditional shops and vibrant cafes, inviting you to explore further. Marvel at the colorful architecture that showcases the influences of Venetian, French, and British styles, bringing life to every street corner. Make sure to pay a visit to the iconic Church of Saint Spiridon, offering a fascinating glimpse into religious history. Feeling hungry? You're in for a treat. Indulge in a variety of dining options from authentic Greek tavernas to tantalizing international cuisines. Also, don't forget to explore other historical landmarks located in this town, like the Old Fortress and the Archaeological Museum. Number 12. Paleokastritsa Monastery. If you're craving a taste of authentic Greek culture, Paleokastritsa Monastery is the place to be. Since the 13th century, this medieval masterpiece has stood as a symbol of unwavering religious devotion. Perched atop a remote hill, the views from here are simply astonishing. Gaze at the island's beauty and the mesmerizing azure sea. It's an experience you won't want to miss during your time in Corfu. The monastery also holds deep historical significance, serving as a spiritual home for Greek monks. Their simple and dedicated lifestyle is truly inspiring, but the adventure doesn't end there. Make sure to explore the delightful village of Paleokastritsa too. With its beautiful beaches tucked into 6 captivating bays, it's the perfect spot to unwind after your monastery visit. Number 11. Canal de Mur Beach. Make your way to the northwestern coast of Corfu and experience the unique beauty of Canal de Mur Beach. This scenic spot is not your average beach. It's one of the most romantic getaways you'll find in Greece. The beach's amazing rock formations and majestic cliffs create a lunar landscape vibe, with narrow channels and inviting bays surrounded by crystal clear waters. It's a picturesque paradise perfect for sunbathing and taking refreshing swims in its coarse sand shoreline. As the sun sets over the horizon, the beach transforms into a magical place with the sky painted in hues of orange, pink, and purple. It's a perfect opportunity for a romantic evening stroll. Number 10. Old Fortress of Corfu. Looking to delve into the rich history of Greece? The Old Fortress is an excellent choice. This island fortress stands as a testament to impressive Greek architecture, completely immersing you in the past. Steeped in history, it has witnessed countless tales of sieges and conquests, a treasure trove for history enthusiasts to unravel. As you wander through its labyrinthine passages and ancient walls, a sense of time traveling will envelop you. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it brims with cultural landmarks and hidden gems to explore. Discover British colonial landmarks and a mesmerizing museum featuring Byzantine artifacts. But there's more to enjoy here. The panoramic views of Corfu town and the Ionian Sea from the fortress are simply unbelievable. Number 9. Vlaherna Monastery. Nestled on a little rocky island, the Vlaherna Monastery is an amazing 17th century Greek Orthodox marvel that'll leave you speechless. The serene cypress trees surrounding this attraction provide a tranquil ambience, making it a perfect spot for peaceful reflection. You can reach this hidden gem by taking a short walk from the Kanoni Peninsula, adding a sense of adventure to your visit. Embrace the rich history of this religious site, soaking in the awesome vistas of the sea and landscape that surround it. While you're there, keep an eye out for adorable furry friends. Friendly cats and dogs often wander around this monastery, adding warmth to your experience. Number 8. Cape Drastis. You absolutely can't skip Cape Drastis when you are exploring Corfu. It is one of those places you'll instantly fall in love with. The beauty of this spot is just jaw-dropping. The dramatic cliffs and crystal clear waters create a picture-perfect scene that's like something out of a dream. And it's not just about the views above the water. There's a whole new world waiting below the surface. If you are into snorkeling or diving, the reefs and sea caverns nearby are an underwater wonderland teeming with marine life. You'll feel like you're in a real-life aquarium. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Corfu experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 7. Porto Timoni. For a more refreshing adventure, head over to Porto Timoni, located in the charming village of Afionas. This unspoiled paradise boasts one of the most beautiful natural beaches on the island and Greece's entire archipelago. The journey may require some effort, but it's absolutely worth it. You can take a scenic 40-minute drive along well-defined paths, treating yourself to gripping views along the way. Want something more unique? Hop on a boat tour to approach the beach from the water for an unforgettable experience. As you arrive, you'll be mesmerized by the crystal clear turquoise waters and the tranquil atmosphere that embraces you, making it a perfect spot to unwind and soak up the sun. Number 6. Royal Ahilion Palace. If you're into history or culture, the Royal Ahilion Palace is an absolute gem worth exploring. This magnificent palace was built in 1890 as a summer escape for Empress Elizabeth of Austria, also known as Queen Sisi, and it oozes charm and grandeur from every corner. You'll be intrigued by the wide views of Corfu City and the sparkling Ionian Sea that the palace offers. Wander through lush gardens adorned with statues portraying Greek mythology, and you'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Inside, prepare to be dazzled by the opulent interiors filled with luxurious furnishings and intricate artwork. It's the perfect place for history buffs and romantics alike. Number 5. Mount Pantokrator. For a more exhilarating adventure, consider visiting Mount Pantokrator, the tallest peak on Corfu Island. This gem offers adorable views and an experience like no other. As you hike along the well-marked trails, you'll be treated to sweeping panoramas of Corfu and its surroundings. The icing on the cake is reaching the summit where you'll find the monastery of Pantokrator. Now, the journey to the monastery is no ordinary stroll. It's an adventurous ride up a truck road, adding excitement to your expedition. But fear not, the attractive scenery will keep you captivated throughout. Plus, you can't miss the TV-generating mast standing tall and proud on the mountain's peak. Number 4. Angelo Castro. Strategically located near Crini village, Angelo Castro, an island fortress, played a vital role in defending against invaders in the past, and its awe-inspiring ruins still hold a glimpse of the island's rich history. The hike up to the castle is invigorating but incredibly rewarding, treating hikers to unbroken wide views along the way. At the top, envelop yourself in the incredible scenery before exploring the ancient walls, transporting your imagination to centuries ago. Angelo Castro isn't just about history, it also offers more attractions to explore nearby. Don't miss Archangel Michael's Church and Corfu Aquarium, adding even more excitement to your journey. Number 3. Cassiope. Cassiope is an ideal choice if you want to spend some time away from Corfu town. This lovely fishing village has a lot to offer for visitors seeking outdoor activities and a glimpse into the past. The beaches alone are worth the trip, from the beautiful Batatia Beach to the serene Souvlaki Beach and more. Take a break from sunbathing and dive into the crystal waters for some exciting snorkeling and diving adventures. But that's not all. Cassiope Castle stands tall as a reminder of its rich history, adding to the village's allure. As you stroll through the picturesque streets, you'll uncover unique experiences and delightful surprises that make Cassiope truly special. Number 2. St. Spiridon Church. St. Spiridon Church effortlessly blends history and spirituality, making it a fantastic place to be. The Greek Orthodox Church, constructed in the 1580s, pays homage to the island's beloved patron saint, Spiridon. While exploring this top attraction, you'll notice its iconic bell tower, which can be seen from different parts of the city, adding to the charm. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a fascinating display of Ionian treasures and the revered remains of Saint Spiridon himself. But let's focus on what makes this place appealing. Discover the spiritual significance this church holds for the locals by attending any of their important events. Number 1. Old Peritia. Ensure to include Old Peritia in your Corfu trip. You won't regret it. This village is a time capsule boasting houses from the 14th century and oozing history. You won't find a more authentic experience anywhere else. The village was once a lively farming community, a safe refuge from pirate attacks. Now it's a hidden treasure filled with ancient architecture, ruins, and relics that tell absorbing tales of the past. Don't miss the chance to meander through its narrow streets, absorbing the rich heritage and culture. And the views? They're absolutely appealing. You won't want to miss them. Click here for more things to do in Greece.